In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 gel polish mistakes that you can't make if you want to have a beautiful, long-lasting manicure. And make sure that you watch until the end because the last mistake is something that I've even seen professionals do in the salon. If you've done your nails at home before, you've probably used nail polish or a nail lacquer, and maybe you've even tried gel polish unsuccessfully. But I guarantee that after watching this video, you're going to be able to have a better application and get better results than you did before using your gel polish. The first mistake that you might be doing is not prepping your nails properly. Prepping your nails means doing your cuticles, filing, and buffing. In order to prep your nails properly, you have to make sure that you buff your nails so you're taking off that shine so there's something that gel polish can stick to. Once you buff your nails, you want to make sure that you clean all the residue off your nail plate. If your nail polish does peel or not stick very well, I highly recommend using an alcohol wipe to wipe off your nail plate and then also applying a nail primer to your nails before you apply your base coat. The base coat acts as a foundation for the rest of the gel polish to stick to. So if you're not applying a base coat, you're not giving the rest of the gel an opportunity to adhere well to your nails, and your manicure may chip and not last as long. After your base coat is applied, you want to make sure that you cure it for long enough. Not curing your nails for long enough in the lamp will result in your nails not lasting as long. Because if you're not curing a layer very well and it's still kind of sticky and tacky, the rest of the layers that you're going to apply aren't going to stick well either. As a general rule, it'll take about 60 seconds to cure a layer of nail polish, but always check on the bottle for what it's telling you to do, and if it doesn't tell you anything on the bottle, you can always check on the manufacturer's website if you're unsure. The fourth mistake goes along with the last mistake of not curing long enough, which is applying your gel polish too thick. If you're applying your gel polish too thick, it's going to take a longer amount of time to cure than what's even recommended in the curing. Plus, it's going to give your gel polish a weird, rippled or wrinkled looking effect, and that's not cute. So you should always apply your gel polish in nice, thin, even layers, and you can always apply as many layers that you need to in order to get that vibrant, pretty color that you want. The fifth mistake that you don't want to do is you don't want to paint your skin. If you get gel polish on your skin, as soon as you put your hand into that lamp, it's going to burn immediately. And not only is it going to burn, but it's not going to last as long because what you're doing is you're giving water and oil and residue a place to go underneath your nail to make it lift. But if you do happen to get polish on your skin and you already cured it in the lamp, don't worry because you can just take a nail file and file it off of your skin and down to your nail. So now that you've applied the base coat and the color gel, you want to apply a top coat. Not applying a top coat will make your nails not last as long because what the top coat's doing is it's sealing in the gel. Colored gel is naturally tacky, so if you don't apply that top coat, everything is going to stick to that gel. You're going to get hair, you're going to get dirt on it, and not only that, the color is going to rub off a little bit from your gel polish if you don't put that top coat on. So make sure that you put that top coat on. It'll make it shiny, it'll seal everything in, and it'll help prevent chipping because what you don't want is your nails looking dull and dusty and covered in dog hair. Now we're on to the final mistake, which is what everyone's been waiting for, and it's going to set you apart from beginner to pro, and that is making sure that you don't miss capping the free edge. Now, what does that mean? So the free edge is the part of the nail that sticks beyond the part of the fingertip. So in order to cap the free edge, you have to get polish on this very tip here of the edge of the nail. So you want to put your base coat there, you want to put your colored polish there, and you want to put your top coat there because that's going to help seal everything in, help give it a finished look, and help prevent chipping. Please leave me a comment and let me know if you've done any of these mistakes in the past, and hopefully you're not going to do them now in the future. If you enjoyed watching this video, I have a feeling that you're also going to enjoy watching this video.